10 Innovations Netherlands made to make life easier. The Netherlands has a rich history of innovation aimed at improving everyday life. Key inventions include the microscope, enabling detailed scientific discovery, the telescope, revolutionizing astronomy, and Bluetooth technology, enhancing wireless communication. Dutch pioneers also developed the compact cassette, CD, DVD, and BLURAY, transforming media consumption. Wi-Fi innovations contributed to global connectivity, while the Fair Trade label promotes ethical consumerism. Dutch expertise in water management led to advanced levees and man-made islands, protecting communities from flooding. Additionally, the creation of orange carrots improved nutrition and agriculture. Together, these innovations reflect the Netherlands' commitment to making life easier, safer, and more connected worldwide. Number 1. The microscope, Zacharias Janssen. Crafted with precision and innovation, the microscope made in the Netherlands is a testament to Dutch engineering excellence. Renowned for its crystal-clear optics, durable construction, and advanced features, this microscope is trusted by scientists, educators, and medical professionals worldwide. Whether used in cutting-edge laboratories or classrooms, it delivers high-resolution imaging and unmatched reliability. The Netherlands' long-standing tradition in optical craftsmanship ensures each microscope meets the highest standards of quality. Sleek design meets scientific accuracy, making it a powerful tool for discovery. From biological studies to material analysis, this Dutch-made microscope opens a window into the microscopic world with clarity and confidence. Number 2. The eye test, Herman Snellen. The eye test, developed in the Netherlands, combines precision, innovation, and user-friendly design to deliver highly accurate vision assessments. Renowned for its clinical reliability and technological sophistication, this Dutch-made test is widely used by optometrists, ophthalmologists, and vision care specialists across the globe. It incorporates cutting-edge digital tools, intuitive interfaces, and scientifically validated methods to ensure consistent, detailed results. Whether for routine checkups or advanced diagnostics, the eye test reflects the Netherlands' reputation for excellence in medical technology. With a focus on both patient comfort and diagnostic accuracy, it represents a gold standard in modern vision testing and eye care. Number 3. Cassette, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray, Philips. The Netherlands has played a pioneering role in the development of audio and video media, being the birthplace of the cassette tape, compact disc, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray. Spearheaded by Dutch tech giant Philips, these revolutionary formats transformed how the world listens to music and watches movies. The compact cassette, introduced in the 1960s, changed music portability forever. The CD followed in the 1980s, offering crystal-clear digital sound. DVDs and Blu-rays elevated visual entertainment, enabling high-definition playback and vast data storage. These innovations reflect the Netherlands' legacy of technological ingenuity, shaping global media consumption for decades and continuing to influence the digital age. Number 4. Bluetooth, Jaap Haaston. Bluetooth, though named after a Viking king, has strong roots in the Netherlands, where key contributions helped shape its global success. Dutch engineers, particularly at Philips, played a vital role in the early development and standardization of this groundbreaking wireless technology. Designed to replace cumbersome cables, Bluetooth enables seamless communication between devices like phones, headphones, speakers, and computers. Its energy efficiency, compact design, and universal compatibility have made it essential in everyday life. The Netherlands' tradition of technological excellence and innovation helped lay the foundation for Bluetooth's widespread adoption. making wireless connectivity faster, smarter, and more accessible across the globe. Number 5. Wi-Fi, Victor Hayes. Wi-Fi, the wireless technology that connects the world, owes much of its foundation to Dutch innovation. In the 1990s, researchers at NCR and AT&T in the Netherlands, particularly in Nieuwegein, played a pivotal role in developing the technology that would become the basis for modern Wi-Fi. Their work on wireless local area networks, WLAN, led to the creation of the IEEE 802.11 standard, which underpins all Wi-Fi communication today. Thanks to Dutch ingenuity, people can now access fast, cable-free internet anywhere, from homes and schools to airports and cafes. The Netherlands helped spark a global digital revolution through this essential innovation. Number 6. Orange carrots, House of Orange, Dutch royal family. Orange carrots, now the most common variety worldwide, have their origins in the Netherlands. In the 16th and 17th centuries, Dutch farmers selectively bred yellow and white carrots to develop the rich orange color we know today. This vibrant hue was likely chosen to honor the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange. The Netherlands' fertile soil and advanced agricultural techniques helped perfect the carrot's sweetness, texture, and nutritional value. Today, orange carrots symbolize Dutch agricultural ingenuity and are a staple in kitchens globally. Their creation reflects the Netherlands' lasting influence on global food culture through innovation and tradition. Number 7. The stock market, Dutch East India Company. The world's first official stock market was established in the Netherlands, marking a revolutionary moment in global finance. Founded in Amsterdam in 1602 by the Dutch East India Company, it allowed shares of the company to be publicly traded, introducing the concept of investment and shareholder capitalism. This innovative system laid the foundation for modern financial markets, enabling risk-sharing and capital growth on an unprecedented scale. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange became a model for future exchanges worldwide. Through this pioneering move, the Netherlands not only transformed global trade, but also became a birthplace of modern economic systems and financial innovation. Number 8. Fair trade label Nico Roosen. The fair trade label, a symbol of ethical consumerism, has strong roots in the Netherlands, where the world's first fair trade certification was launched in 1988. Initiated by the Dutch organization Max Havelaar, named after a famous anti-colonial novel, the label aimed to ensure better prices, fair wages, and decent working conditions for farmers and producers in developing countries. This groundbreaking Dutch initiative sparked a global movement, empowering consumers to make choices that support social justice and sustainability. Today, the Fair Trade label is recognized worldwide, reflecting the Netherlands' enduring commitment to equality, ethical trade, and responsible global economic practices. Number 9. Levees and man-made islands. The Netherlands is world-renowned for its mastery in water management, exemplified by its sophisticated levees and remarkable man-made islands. With much of the country lying below sea level, the Dutch have engineered an extensive network of levees, dikes, and dams to protect land from flooding for centuries. Equally impressive are the man-made islands, such as Flevoland, the largest artificial island in the world, created through land reclamation from the sea. These feats of engineering showcase the Netherlands' resilience, innovation, and harmonious relationship with water. Dutch expertise in hydraulic engineering continues to inspire global solutions to rising sea levels and climate-related challenges. And number 10. The telescope, Hans Lippershey. The telescope, a revolutionary instrument in astronomy, has its origins in the Netherlands. In the early 17th century, Dutch spectacle maker Hans Lippershey is credited with creating the first practical telescope by combining lenses to magnify distant objects. His invention quickly spread across Europe, transforming the study of the heavens and laying the groundwork for modern astronomy. The telescope enabled scientists like Galileo to make groundbreaking discoveries about our solar system. This Dutch innovation marked a turning point in scientific observation, demonstrating the Netherlands' early contributions to science and exploration, and forever changing how humanity views the universe. And that is all for now. Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found a thing or two interesting. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button to show us you liked the video. Do comment below so we know what you guys are thinking about. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the middle button on the video for current updates and notifications. Until next time, keep reluxed.